Hi friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions, bringing you a quick bonus tip in Chief Architect. I'm using Premiere X17, but you could use this in any version, the Premiere versions that I know of. I've been struggling on how to show and demonstrate both in elevation and three-dimensional renderings what a beaded inset frame would look like, how to actually get a bead on the frame. So what I did with this situation was, let me delete this. I'm going to draw a polyline, closed polyline, rectangular polyline from the opening to the opening here. I have on my toolbars my edit behaviors chosen, selected all right here. I've got concentric, alternate, fillet, resize, move, default, etc. all right here. So I just double click on this and it pops up with concentric. You can go to edit preferences, behaviors. I think in a Mac it's file preferences, behaviors. But go to concentric, jump a 1/4 inch. In this case, that's what my bead is, a 1/4 inch. And then I'm just going to drag this one corner a 1/4 inch out, right? Your profile may be different. Like this profile is a 1/4 inch. You could go, whatever you'd like. I'm going to then select these. I did that all around all of the drawers. I selected all of the polylines and converted all of them at the same time to a molding polyline. Now it's going to initially pop up like this, a 1x1 square that's white. I changed that width to 1/16, height 1/16. And while I had all of them selected, I'm going to change the material to black, just to show like the depth of things, right? So in that case, the elevation looks pretty close, right? Now I want to go to camera view, and you'll notice that polyline is for some reason set off of the face of the cabinet. So I'm just going to go to plan view, turn off my camera, and yeah, we can see that right there. So I went into my select contained objects mode and selected those. In my case, all 3 of them were right there. I selected all 3 of these and all 3 of these as well, and just moved one time, point to point move from that point back to the face of the cabinet. Now I have a representation of a beaded inset look, right? Something that looks appropriate in the 3D and there it is in the elevation. Hope that's helpful. If you like this, click like and subscribe and leave a comment. Talk to you later.